Hey, what's up everybody? In 2024, the first video of the new year. Today I'm in the city center of Poznań, the city where I'm living, and I'm gonna show you the Saint Martin Street, which is recently fully renovated street in the city center of Poznań. When I was filming here last time in September, it still was some works, but now everything is almost in 99% completed. So I'm gonna show you and also a little bit of the city center today. But of course the best will be to start with the beginning. There are a lot of interesting architecture here, and then one of the big junctions here, and then the downtown is starting actually there where is this modern building, but this one is already old town, and Święty Marcin, which is the Saint Martin Street, starting exactly here with so many old buildings and architecture. And also the construction, like I said, is 99% finished. The theater here is still under the construction, but obviously it's gonna be finished very shortly. But this is just the theater, it's still under the construction. But the street, the brand new benches, the footpaths, the promenades, the asphalt, the tram lines together with the trams, everything is new here. So that's actually cool. And that's the post office in Poland, in Poznan. Look like this one, perhaps. That's the building of the theater, actually very cool and very old. Looks like a castle, actually. It's very old building of the office, post office in Poland, but it's non-active. And this is all new here. So as you can see, the roads actually with the St. Martin Street, the beams, totally brand new infrastructure. Everything is fresh, new, clean and neat. So that's cool. That's why so many renovations and reconstructions and well, generally so much work, construction in Polish cities. This is one, when they finish, looks like this one, perhaps. Very cool. Trams going everywhere, actually very easy connected here. This is like a central location of the old town, but it's not belongs to the market square. In the old town is just the long street, one of the most popular streets here in Poznań. Actually, a lot of businesses, restaurants, a little bit still quiet due to the constructions. Actually, like I said, still this building is still under renovation, but a lot of things were closed here due to the construction. Now everything slowly is waking up. Here is still construction in the side streets. The trams going, Sphinx restaurant here very popular with the Biedronka supermarket, everything popular here. And overall, this is how does it look like. You can leave your bicycle also here. They make it really nice, I'm gonna tell you. Not sure how it was look like when it was old, but I believe it was like a grayish, if you know what I'm talking about. Now it looks really modern, very clean indeed, clean and neat. On the street you can find the supermarkets, restaurants, banks and many other institutions, like for example Wyższa Szkoła Języków Obcych, which is the language school, perhaps. Very cool. When it will be summer, that's gonna be probably actually very busy and very interesting place. Oh, you can find, for example, Bangkok food, drink, music restaurant. Actually, the way how they write the Bangkok Millennium Bank and many stuff. And there is also some statue of the light for Christmas of some king, probably, or knight with the dogs. Interesting. And that's how you park the cars here. It's the thing to buy the parking ticket. This one actually for some reason is old still with coins only, but normally you can pay by card without any problems. And the parking fees in this street, on this street and in city center in Poznań costs 7 zł per hour, which is about $1.75 US per hour. And if you drive, maybe in your own country, $1.75 per hour, 7 zł per hour. Is it a lot, or maybe it's alright? You can let me know in the comment section, because I'm curious. I didn't live in Poland for 13 years. I don't know, I forgot what was the prices together with the inflation, but this is how it is, at least in Poznań. Every city will have a little bit different fees. And some of the buildings here actually have really very beautiful architecture, like this green building. Actually they are flats, apartments actually on the top of it, I believe. Then there are businesses on the top of it. They are apartments. So that's actually very cool, old but cool. And the other building is also very nice. overall very cozy little street. Well, maybe not little, it's pretty big street, but very enjoyable to walk. Somebody still came with the camper van here in the January, actually very brave indeed with this weather. But as you see, no snow, it's 6 degrees right now, so it's just the winters recently look like this one in Poland. Not too cold though. This building looks also very beautiful, really nice architecture. And down there looks like a very nice Japanese restaurant. That's also good to know. Overall, this is how does it look like. 360 degree, a little bit turn around. And basically the street is going to be smaller now, and we're gonna land on the Półwiejska street, actually, if you're gonna go straight. And you can go to the old market square, to the Stary Rynek, actually, if you walk straight. So very enjoyable and the central location street. While you are walking here, you have a feeling this is so quiet. And it is actually quiet, and some people may don't like it because it's too quiet, especially if you compare to Asia, Southeast Asia. But on the other hand, it's actually beautiful. It's just so quiet and enjoyable. You can just peacefully stroll around and enjoy. I came from there. Now it's the smaller street. Some new bank is coming here. Even there is the Nowy menu. Istanbul kebab. A lot of kebabs here in 7-Elevens, which is Żabka. And some shops and everything. A lot of boutiques and the restaurants actually. Yeah, this is it. Unfortunately, some places still under the renovation, but like I said, 99%. But everything actually was here under the construction. That's why maybe still quiet, because not everybody know actually, as this is come back together with the old town actually. What I make a video before a new year. So that's how does it look like. A lot of interesting and nice murals, sometimes somewhere. This one definitely Japanese style. Probably somewhere here is the Japanese restaurant. Actually delikatesy azjatyckie, so this is Asian shop. Here we go. This is Asian shop. Very nice. You can get inside a lot of stuff. So this is it. How does it look like? If you don't wanna walk, you can always take yourself a ride with the tram. We don't have a MRT here, underground trains, but we have a trams, like most of the European cities actually. And this is actually special shout out to my very good friends, Jeffrey from Singapore. He sent me recently the picture of Hotel de Silva with the 2 goats. Mate, buddy, this is for you. Here you go. He was there. And I believe many of my viewers were actually in Poznan and in Poland. Some of you guys actually were, for sure. Another tram. A lot of trams here. No problem. With they are going every few minutes actually. 45 minutes, 6 złotych, which is $1.50 US. And then you have a stuff where you can buy something for the food trucks, perhaps. Even Costa Coffee here. And the zapiekanki, perhaps. Cool, really nice, very enjoyable, and very happy as they opened recently this one. As you can see, this is St. Martin still St. Martin Street, St. Martin Street. There's some junction next to the old church, and of course this hotel here with this goat. Going to the church, but you see, everywhere you go will be old town. You can go there. It's also very quiet though, very enjoyable. And then you can go down there where it's already old street. I think it was old actually, like this one with the cobblestone, but obviously there was, well, this is slippery, and sometimes if you walk you can enjoy your legs, so sometimes they trying to reduce, but there are some streets where they have to leave it. Actually this one is still modernized, little bit fixed. Going now down there, going down, where actually the tram's going at the end of the city is the end of the St. Martin Street, and this is actually the already entrance to the market square nearly. So as you can see, that's the situation. Some restaurant, actually this one is I think Czech Republic restaurant. I can hear the plane over there. The airport is also very close, about 7 kilometers from the city center of Poznań actually. So this is what you can find here. If you would like to stay somewhere nearby, there is the Hampton by Hilton hotel. Actually somebody's checking out, taking the car to get out. And then you can see the stuff like this one. That's how does it look, the street in general. Very cool. Basically, if you're gonna stay here, in case if you would like to, there's like a tram station, so it's just like a literally 100-200 meter walking distance, and then there is little parking, of course, and then it's actually entrance there to the old market square, and in the other hand you can go to the walking street and then go to the mall, perhaps. So this is like a very central location. Definitely great to stay somewhere nearby. So there, where is the McDonald's? I used to film a few times already there. There is walking street and then Stary Browar Mall, and then the trams are going here in the corner. There are 7 or 8 streets on this junction. If you go this little alley or the other one, there is the market square, and then you see the beginning of the Święty Marcin, St. Martin Street. Just entered from the street to the MM Galleria, which is like a little mall called MM. Not sure actually what's going on here, what's the shops and everything. Looks pretty quiet though, but seems like you could find something for yourself. It's in the city center on the St. Martin Street. Actually gonna show you a little bit on the other side. What does it look like? Some nice poke balls, actually, Asian food. Here we go, a lot of Asian food actually here. And shrimp house also. So here we go, there's not only Polish food, and as you can see, continuation of the Poznan city, but this probably for another occasion, because I have so many videos for you. Of course there will be no difference, somewhere here must be a Starbucks, of course, and I'm going out actually back to the St. Martin Street, going back, take a rest also. I'm gonna have to do few bites, few things. Hope so you enjoy St. Martin Street. Let me know what do you think. I still have a lot of Poznań and many other parts of Poland and Europe to show you. So I will see you on the next video. Big thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you on next one. See ya.